Okay kids, let's start our revision with the smallest number. So here are the numbers 7, 3 and 4, and please put the quantity with this number. Here I am using decimals. You can use their ice cream sticks, earbuds or anything which you available at your home. There are 7 ones. After that, please put 1, 2 and 3. 3 ones. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now please kids, find the less quantity of which number has. Yes, so here the 3 number has less quantity. The 3 number has less quantity. So the smallest number is 3. Now let's see our next number. Our next numbers are 9, 1, 5. Our next numbers are 9, 1, 5. So here I am putting quantity 1. On the 9 there are 9 tens. And here 5 ones. Now kids, please compare the quantity of numbers. Please compare the quantity of numbers and tell me which number has less quantity, and please tell me which number has, sorry kids, less quantity. Okay, so here number 1 has less quantity, so number 1 is smallest number. Now let's talk about our new topic, which is biggest number, which is about biggest number. Now kids, let's talk about biggest number. Kids, let's talk about biggest number. So please, what is the biggest number? Yes, the number which is not smallest is biggest. No, the number which has more quantity. The number which has more quantity is a biggest number. The number which has more quantity, it is biggest number. So here I am putting the quantity and you have to tell me which number has more quantity. Which number has more quantity. So we can see here the number 6 has more quantity comparatively 2 and 4. Compared to number 2 and 4. Number 6 has more quantity. So 6 is the biggest number, right? So kids, please listen carefully. The number which has more quantity is the biggest number, right? Now let's take another numbers. Here I am taking number 7, number 3 and number 10. Here I am going to take number 3, number 7 and number 10, and I am putting the quantity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here 1, 2 and 3 and here 1, 10. Now kids, tell me which has more quantity. Then you, I think as the quantity wise you can say this number has less quantity, but if we read this number as a decimal system, as tens and ones, this is 10 ones, 110, right? So which number has more quantity? So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 1, 2, 3 ones. And here 10 ones. Here 10 ones. So number 10 is biggest number here. Number 10 is biggest number here. Now our next numbers are Our next numbers are 30, 20. Next 10, 30 and 20. So now I am putting here the quantity 110, 1, 2, 3 tens, 1 and 2. Now here you can clearly see the quantity and can give answer also very easily. The number 30 has more quantity. Here is 3 tens, here is 2 tens with number 20 and here is a 1 ten with the number 10. So which number has more quantity? Yes, the number 30 has more quantity. So our biggest number is 30. Our biggest number is 30. This is 4 numbers. Now let's see our objects which are in smallest and biggest in size. Right? So we can find so many things around us which is smallest and biggest in size. So let's see. First of all, we find at our home the different size of spoon, right? You can find the different size of spoon at your home. Now tell me which spoon is smallest in size. Yes, this one is smallest in the size and this is biggest in the size. Now next our content is, you can find at your home, bowl, right? So which one is the smallest bowl? Yes, this one is smallest bowl and this one is biggest bowl. If we pour a quantity in this bowl, we can also see this, the smallest bowl has only less quantity. We put the less quantity and in the biggest bowl we can pour more quantity. Let's see everyone. Okay kids, here I am taking bowl with the same size and I am putting the balls in these 3 balls and show you. First of all, I am putting the ball in this bowl. Now in this bowl and after that I am putting the ball in this, okay, and I put the more balls in this big bowl, right? Now you can easily see this, which bowl has more quantity. Yes, this bowl has more quantity, so this bowl is biggest bowl and this bowl has less quantity, so this bowl is smallest bowl. Now let's see our next example. The container, we can see this container is smallest and this is the biggest container. After that, let's see these circles. Which one is the smallest circle? Yes, this circle is smallest in size and this circle is biggest in size. Okay, so kids, likewise we compare the things in big and small in size and smallest and biggest number with the quantity also. So kids, let's revise what we did today. Today we are going to learn biggest number. Which number we are going to learn today? biggest number. And what is the biggest number? Yes, the which number has more quantity, that number is biggest number. The which number has more quantity, that number is biggest number. And look here kids, I am putting quantity with the numbers. So this is 1 tens, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens, 50, 1, 2, 3 tens, 30. Okay. Now you can see here which number has more quantity. Yes, the number 50 has more quantity. Number 50 has more quantity. So 50 is the biggest number. Let's see next numbers. Our next numbers are 2, 3, 9. Our next numbers are 2, 3 and 9. So now will you please put the quantity with this number. Here we can see these numbers are single digit numbers. So we have to put the ones decimal with them. 1, 2 ones, 1, 2, 3 ones. After that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 ones. There is 9 ones. So kids, which number has more quantity? Yes, number 9 has more quantity. So number 9 is biggest number comparatively 2 and 3. Now let's see our next number. Our next number is 77, 66 and 44. Our next numbers is 77, 66 and 74. Now let's go ahead, put the quantity with this number. So let's put 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 tens. This is 7 tens. Now 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. After that 6 tens and 6 ones. 66. 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Right? Next is 4 tens and 4 ones. 4 tens and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, 4 ones. Now here look kids, the tens quantity is more in number 77. So tens quantity is more in number 77. So 77 number is biggest number here. Now let's see another number kids. So our next number is 28, 25 and 21. Our next number is 28, 25 and 21. Here we can see all the tens place are same. All the tens place are same, but all the ones place are different in quantity. So let's see, put the quantity first and then after we compare. Here is 2 tens, 8 ones, 28. 2 tens, 8 ones, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after 2 tens, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After that 2 tens, 1 ones. Now you can see here all the tens quantity are same. All the tens quantities are same, but look at the ones quantity. Which one is more? Yes, the 28 has more quantity of on the ones place. So 28 is biggest number. 28 is biggest number. So kids, I hope you understand this concept of biggest number. So what we have to find? Biggest number. Yes. How we find biggest number? So which number has more quantity, that number is biggest number. The which number has more quantity, that number is biggest number. I hope you understand this concept very well. Try and practice at your home and be perfect for this. Namaskar everyone and have a nice day.